Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this lovely book in just a few minutes with the things easily available at your home. Supplies we need are slightly thick pattern paper, 8 sheets of colored papers, wool or paper rope and scissors. So the first thing we need to do is fold the pattern paper into half. You may also use the chart paper or brown craft paper. Fold it into half, make a nice crease. Fold all the 8 papers. Make sure you have a good crease. Try to take colorful and bright colored papers. You may also use printer papers for this instead of colored papers. After folding all the papers into half and making the crease, what we do is layer the paper one by one. Just add all the papers one by one on top of them. Give some attention to the color combination of the papers. Lastly, add the pattern paper. Now either use the paper rope or wool or satin ribbon or cotton cord, anything you have at home, and measure 7 times the length of the book. Guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel and like this video. Measure to 7 times. Now on the top, leave some extra and then start winding the wool or the cord on the spine of the book. After 3 rounds, add a knot on the top or at the center of the book as you wish. Add the double knot and a bow, and our book is ready. Here's a small book. I have just cut 1/4 of the A4 size paper and made this book, and you can see that I have tied the knot at the center. You may add flowers, stickers or whatever you wish and make it prettier. I'm not focusing on decoration today. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. See you next week. Bye.